After having a truly wonderful time on the Isle of Harris, I drove on down to Hebrides and spent the night on the ferry port. The following morning I boarded the ferry late. The weather was nice, calm, and I travelled across the Sound of Harris to Berneray. Take care. Well, this makes a change. It's the first time I've been able to do this in the whole trip. I'm on Berneray, north of North Uist and south of Harris. Took the ferry across this morning from Hebrides. I'm glad I didn't go yesterday because it was blowing a hoolie and it was wet and it was miserable. I decided I was going to have a lazy late start today and actually didn't get the ferry until 20 to 12 today. It's just over the hour to get here. Ferry was weaving in and out of the buoys. Seems to be a fairly shallow stretch of water, the Sound of Harris. Got to Berneray and thought, well, probably wouldn't take many minutes to zip round this little bit of an island. It's only 3x2 apparently, miles that is. But it's lovely. Come across a lovely little stretch, not too far from Macaire and right next to the beach. So had a really quite a nice walk today since I've got here. Had a bit of lunch and then I went over the top of the hill, which is just off there to my right, and went to the top of the hill to the trig point and down the other side, and to the other side there's West Beach. It's vast. Different type of beach to Luskintyre. In a way, I think it's got more character because the rolling waves were pouring in. It's not too deep a beach, nice to walk on, and it's a beautiful white shell sand. The sea is an azure blue. Probably didn't look like that yesterday. All we need is a steel band and a bit of reggae and you could be in the Caribbean, really. And behind me, well, take a look.